Hola! Welcome back to EnFrEsp Languages, where we make learning Spanish, French, and English super fun and easy. Today, we're going to learn how to say the months in Spanish and how to talk about your birthday. Let's jump in. There are 12 months in Spanish, just like in English. Let's break them down into seasons to help you remember them better. I would note that in English, the months are always written with a capital letter. However, in Spanish, they only have a capital letter if they are at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, so the spring is
La primavera.
La primavera. The V in Spanish makes a B sound. La primavera includes
Marzo.
In European Spanish, Z is pronounced th, so this is marzo. In Latin American Spanish, Z is pronounced s, so this would be marzo. I speak European Spanish, so I will be saying marzo. That's March. April is
Abril.
pronounced abril. The letter I makes an E sound in Spanish. Say it after me. Abril. And May is
Mayo.
pronounced Mayo. Repeat after me. Mayo. These are the spring months. La primavera. Let's say them together. Marzo, Abril, Mayo. Nice. The summer is
El verano.
el verano. El verano includes
Junio.
pronounced junio. In Spanish, the letter J is pronounced like an English H, and the U makes an oo sound. Say it after me. Junio. That's June. July is
Julio.
pronounced Julio. Repeat after me. Julio. And August is
Agosto.
pronounced agosto. Say it after me. Agosto. These hot summer months are in el verano. Say them with me. Junio, Julio, Agosto. Great. The autumn is
El otoño.
el otoño. The N has a virgulilla over it, which adds a y sound after the N. Repeat after me. Otoño. El otoño includes
Septiembre.
pronounced septiembre. Repeat after me. Septiembre. That's September. October is
Octubre.
pronounced octubre. Repeat after me. Octubre. And November is
Noviembre.
pronounced noviembre. Remember that the letter V is pronounced more like the English letter B. Repeat after me. Noviembre. These months are in the autumn. El otoño. Say them with me. Septiembre, octubre, noviembre. And finally, the winter is
El invierno.
el invierno. The V is making a B sound again, and the second I is making an E sound. El invierno. El invierno includes,
Diciembre.
pronounced diciembre. That's December. Both I's are making an E sound, and the C is making a S sound in European Spanish and a S sound in Latin American Spanish. Repeat after me. Diciembre. January in Spanish is
Enero.
pronounced enero. Say it after me. Enero. And February is
Febrero.
pronounced febrero. Repeat after me. Febrero. So these are the months in el invierno. Let's say them together. Diciembre, enero, febrero. Muy bien. Let's do a quick quiz. You'll hear a month in Spanish. See if you can say it in English. Ready?
Agosto.
That's August.
Febrero.
That's February.
Mayo.
That's May. Nice job. Now that you know the months, let's talk about birthdays in Spanish. First, how do we ask, when is your birthday? In Spanish, you say,
¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños?
¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? To answer, just say
Mi cumpleaños es el
the day,
de.
month, which means my birthday is the day of month. Let's hear some examples.
Mi cumpleaños es el 5 de abril.
My birthday is the 5th of April.
Mi cumpleaños es el 22 de octubre.
My birthday is the 22nd of October. Try saying your birthday out loud now. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just give it a go. Great job today. Now you know the months and how to talk about birthdays in Spanish. Practice in the comments below. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Tell us your birthday in Spanish. I'll read every one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more Spanish, French, and English tips from EnFrEsp Languages. Hasta luego!